In this video, I'll show you how to naturally dye your grey hair. We are going to make a dye for brown to dark hair, and in the next video, I will share a dye for light hair. For this recipe, we are going to need ground coffee beans or directly ground coffee. Make sure the label on the ingredients part says 100% coffee or just coffee without any additives. We will use 2 tablespoons. Clove is rich in antioxidants such as eugenol, which strengthens hair follicles and prevents hair loss. We will grind 2 tablespoons of clove, With coffee, we will achieve a beautiful brown or mahogany color. Depending on your base color, it helps to give shine and softness. We add 250 milliliters of water and cook for 5 minutes after boiling. Let it cool down a bit and strain it with a strainer and gauze. The cocoa will strengthen the hair color. It also has emollient properties, which can help moisturize the hair and prevent dryness and split ends. We add 2 tablespoons of bitter cocoa powder. And 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. The cornstarch or corn flour helps to reflect light in the hair, giving it a shinier and healthier appearance. We add a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, mix everything very well. You will get a beautiful brown color from the first use. We're going to cook it over low heat, stirring constantly until we get a creamy mixture. We pour it into a container and let it cool down a bit. The amount of mixture we prepared is enough for short to medium hair. We add a heaping tablespoon of coconut oil. We add a tablespoon of almond oil or olive oil. We're going to mix the ingredients very well. I would really like to know where you are watching us from. We add apple cider vinegar, which is an excellent color fixative. 2 tablespoons, thank you. We generously apply the mixture to the hair and cover with aluminum foil or a hair cap. And then we place a towel to generate some heat. Let it act for 2 hours or more and wash the hair, as you always do. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.